ዌልካም እንኳን ወደ ቻናሌ በደህና መጣችሁ። ስሜ ተሾመ ይባላል። My name is ተሾመ. Today we are going to discuss the new topic under professional English, basics of English and the grammar. Today's topic is parts of speech. I called the channel Professional English because there are a lot of professional terminologies, words from different business content tutorials, automotive tutorials in another channel that I teach. So I called this channel Professional English. Professional English ያልኩበት ምክንያት የተለያዩ የቢዝነስ ኮንቴንት ያላቸው ቱቶሪያሎች፣ ቃላቶች ከአውቶሞቲቭ ከቢዝነስ ኮንቴንት በብዛት ስለምናገኝበት ስለምንጠቀም ስለዚህ I call it Professional English. So let us get it started. Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. 8 parts of speech. የንግግር ክፍሎች አሉ. They are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, and exclamations. All these are discussed in this tutorial. So በዚህ ቱቶሪያል ውስጥ እነዚህን በሙሉ ዲስከስ እናደርጋለን። ስለዚህ ቻናሉን ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ የቻናሌ ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ እጋብዛለሁ። Thank you for coming. Let me say welcome again. Nouns. Nouns are what? Nouns are the name of persons, the name of things. ስሞች የሰዎች እንዲሁም የነገሮች፣ የእቃዎች፣ የእንስሳቶች ስም ናቸው። They are the subjects of sentences again. የአረፍተ ነገር ስንሰራ ስንናገር የዛ የንግግሩ የድርጊቱ ባለቤቶች ናቸው ናውኖች። The name of persons, George, Saba, Jitu are the name of persons. Table, tree, cows, lands are the name of things and animals. We do have pronouns also in this discussion. I, we, the subject pronouns that can be placed at the beginning of the sentence. እነዚህ ሁለቱ subject pronouns ይባላሉ። በመጀመሪያ የአረፍተ ነገር መነሻ ላይ ልናስቀምጣቸው እንችላለን። They, you, she, he, it are pronouns. ስምን ተክቶ የሚመጡ ተውላጠ ስሞች ናቸው። ናውንስ ስንል ስሞች፣ ፕሮናውንስ ስንል ተውላጠ ስሞች። ፕሮናውንስ ስምን ተክቶ የሚመጡ ናቸው። አንድ ጊዜ ስምን ካስተዋወቅን በኋላ once we introduced the noun, we must substitute the nouns with pronouns in a sentence. No need of repeating nouns again and again because it does not give pleasant sense when nouns are repeated in a sentence again and again. ስሞች በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ሲደጋገሙ ምቾት ስለማይሰጡ ቦሪንግ ወይም የመሰልቸት ስሜት ሊሰጡ ስለሚችሉ ስለዚህ በፕሮናውኖች ወይም በተውላጠ ስሞች መተካት አለባቸው። እዚህ በአረፍተ ነገር እየተካን እኔ ጆርጅ wrote a letter to his mother. ጆርጅ ለእናቱ ደብዳቤ ጻፈ። He lives abroad. እሱ የሚኖረው ውጪ ነው። In this sentence, George is the noun for this sentence. He is a pronoun which substitutes the noun George. ጆርጅ ለእናቱ ደብዳቤ ጻፈ። እሱ የሚኖረው ውጪ ነው። ጆርጅ ለእናቱ ደብዳቤ ጻፈ፣ ጆርጅ የሚኖረው ውጪ ነው ብለን ጆርጅን በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ከመደጋገም ጆርጅ ለእናቱ ደብዳቤ ጻፈ፣ እሱ የሚኖረው ውጪ ነው ስንል it is pleasant. ምቹ የሆነ የአረፍተ ነገር አገነባብ ወይም ስፒች ይሆናል ማለት ነው። George wrote a letter to his mother and he lives abroad. He is the pronoun which substituted the noun George. Saba went to Europe. She will return back 10 days later. ሳባ ወደ ዩሮፕ ሄዳለች፣ ጉዞ አድርጋለች። ከ10 ቀን በኋላ ትመለሳለች። ሳባ went to Europe. She'll return back 10 days later. She is a pronoun which substitutes the noun ሳባ። she pronoun ነው፣ ተውላጠ ስም ነው። ሳባ ናውን ነው። she ሳባን ተክቷል ማለት ነው። ጂቱ goes to church every Sunday. ጂቱ በየሳምንቱ እሑድ ቤተክርስቲያን ትሄዳለች። she is second year university student. she የሚለው እሷ የሁለተኛ ዓመት የዩኒቨርሲቲ ተማሪ ነች። ጂቱን ይተካል ማለት ነው። she ጂቱ goes to church every Sunday. she is second year university student. Cows eat grass. They give us milk. Cows eat grass. They give us milk. Cows, the plural noun. Cows, substituted by the pronoun they. Cows eat grass. They give us milk. They, the pronoun substituted the noun cow. In this way, we can construct many sentences in past form, in simple present form, in future form, and so on. The third part of parts of speech is an adjective. It is noun modifier, or adjectives are noun modifiers. They are the third part of parts of speech. ሶስተኛው የንግግር ክፍል አድጀክቲቭ ወይም ቅጽል ነው። ስምን ነው የሚገልጸው፣ ገላጭ ማለት ነው። አድጀክቲቭ ስንል ገላጭ ማለት ነው። ናውን ሞዲፋየርስ ናቸው፣ ስምን ይገልጻሉ። ከስም በፊት ነው የሚመጡት። adjectives come before nouns. Let's say, for example, tall, clever, hot are adjectives. Tall men play basketball. ረጃጅም ሰዎች ባስኬትቦል ይጫወታሉ። tall men. Tall is an adjective which came before the noun man. It tells us an additional expression about the man. The tall men play basketball. An adjective tells us an additional explanation to the noun. Clever students scored 98% in physics. Clever is an adjective which came before the noun students. Clever students scored 98% in physics. What kind of students scored 98% in physics? Clever students scored 98% in physics. Clever is an adjective which came before the noun students. Today is a hot day. Hot is an adjective which expresses what kind of day today is. Today is a hot day. We can say today is a windy day. Today is a rainy day. Windy, rainy are adjectives which expresses the day. It gives additional explanation to the nouns. So, we discussed about nouns, how they are placed in a sentence. We discussed pronouns, how they substitute the nouns in a sentence. And we discussed adjectives, where we place adjectives, what adjectives do. ስለ word disorder in English grammar ስናወራ, when we talk of word disorder, especially in adjectives, there is something special. የቃላት ቅደም ተከተል በአድጀክቲቭስ ደግሞ እንዴት እንደሆነ እናያለን። Let's say, for example, nowadays electronic shopping is getting expanded and expand. የኤሌክትሮኒክ ግብይት በጣም እየሰፋ ነው። When producers display their products online, we also order our needs online. ያው እንዳልኩት አምራቾች ምርቶቻቸውን በቻናሎች ላይ ሲለቁ ገዢዎች ያንን በማየት እንደገና ኦንላይን ኦርደር ሊያደርጉ ይችላሉ። ነገር ግን when we order we must follow the rules, especially when we place adjectives. አጀክቲቮችን በተከታታይ የምንፈልገውን ነገር ልንገልጽ ስናስቀምጣቸው በትክክል ቅደም ተከተሉ መያዝ አለበት። ሌትስ ሴይ ፎር ኤግዛምፕል በእኛ ኬዝ ነጩን፣ ጥቁሩን፣ አጭሩን፣ ትልቁን እያልን ብንጠራ ምንም ችግር ላይኖረው ይችላል። In case of English speakers, ordering the words in their grammatical order is valuable. So we must follow these rules of syntax. ለምሳሌ እነዚህን የምርት አይነቶች this kind of wears that we wear are displayed on channel. Imagine we need to order these items online by following the rule of word disorder in English grammar. Let's say if I wanted to buy this jacket or 2 of the 5 jackets, the leather jacket, I have to follow this word disorder in English grammar. I need to buy 2, the quantity that I need to buy, መግዛት የምፈልገው ብዛቱን ማለት ነው። ፒውር ኳሊቲውን፣ ሎንግ ኤንድ ሾርት ሳይዙን፣ ኒው እድሜውን፣ ብላክ ኤንድ ብሉ ከለሩን፣ አሜሪካ ሌዘር ጃኬት ኦሪጂኑን እና የእቃውን አይነት በዚህ አይነት መልኩ ማስቀመጥ አለብን። if we say I need to buy leather jacket, pure, black and blue, long and short, it is not as meaningful as those English speakers need. So we have to put them in English word order procedure in order to be understandable. Let's say, for example, long black jacket, short blue jacket, short black jacket, short green jacket, short red jacket. We can call it this way. Size comes first and the color next. So we can put in this word order, which is syntax. This way of placing words in a sentence in their grammatical procedure is syntax. ይህን ስሞች የት ነው የሚገቡት? ስሞች የት ነው የሚቀመጡት? ወይም ፕሮናውኖች የት ነው የሚቀመጡት? ናውኖች የት ነው የሚቀመጡት? አድጀክቲቭ የት ነው የሚቀመጡት? ከስም በፊት፣ ከስም በኋላ፣ ከቃላት በኋላ፣ ከቃላት በፊት እያል በቅደም ተከተል የምናስቀምጣቸውን ህጎች ሲንታክስ እንላለን ማለት ነው። we call them syntax. ይሄኛው አራተኛ የፓርትስ ኦፍ ስፒች verbs. they are action words. የድርጊት ቃላቶች ናቸው። they are action words. they come after nouns. ከስም በኋላ ነው የሚመጡት። people cut trees. let's say for example, cut, write, play, eat are verbs. they are action words. people cut trees. ሰዎች ዛፍን ይቆርጣሉ። cut is a verb. we came after the noun. it expresses the action of the people. it is action word. George wrote a letter to his friends. wrote is the past form of write, which is action word. it came after the noun George. our club played football yesterday. our club is a noun. played is a verb, which is action word. came after the noun phrase club. our club played football yesterday. ትናንትና የኛ ፉትቦል ክለብ ኳስ ተጫውተዋል። ሰዎች ዛፍን ይቆርጣሉ። ጆርጅ ለእናቱ ደብዳቤ ጻፈ። George wrote a letter to his mother, wrote the past form of write, cut. It can be the past form of cut. The past form of cut is also cut. Animals eat grass. Animals, it is a plural noun, eat grass. It is an action word which came after the noun animal. It expresses what animals do. Verb to be is የመሆን ግሶች I am happy. It tells us the state of being my happiness. Today is rainy day. It tells us the state of being rainy. He is humble. It tells us the state of being is humble. ትሁት መሆኑን እሱ ትሁት ነው። They are sad. They are sad. It tells us the state of being their sadness. እነሱ ሀዘን አለባቸው. It tells us the state of being their sadness. She is calm. እሷ የተረጋጋች ነች. It tells us her state of being calmness. የተረጋጋች መሆኑን ይነግረናል። የመሆን ግስ the state of being. Verb to be are the state of being. የመሆን ግሶች ወይም the state of being እነዚህን ነገሮች እንዲሁም ሌሎችን ነገሮች ሆኖ የመገኘትን ይነግሩናል ማለት ነው። The fifth part of speech is adverbs. Adverbs add an extra explanation to verbs. ድርጊት በምን አይነት ሁኔታ እንደተፈጸመ adverbs ይነግሩናል ማለት ነው። ተጨማሪ ገለጻ ይሰጡናል። Let's say for example slowly, briefly, securely are adverbs. The driver drives slowly. It comes after the verb drives slowly. Saba told her cases to the court briefly. Briefly expresses the manner in which Saba told her cases to the court. G2 put items securely. In what way G2 put the items? G2 በምን አይነት ሁኔታ አይተሞቹን እንዳስቀመጠች ወይም አይተሙን እንዳስቀመጠች ይነግረናል። An additional explanation to the way items are put. G2 put the item securely. G2 እቃውን securely አስቀምጣለች ማለት ነው። It tells us an additional explanation, the manner in which action is done. There are about 4 adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree. She walks slowly. This is an adverb of manner. Slowly tells the manner in which she walks. It came after the word walks. She walks slowly. Adverb of manner. He speaks briefly. Speaks is a verb. An action word. Briefly is the manner in which he speaks. He speaks briefly. Adverb of manner. Oxygen is found everywhere. Found everywhere. It is an adverb of place. I came yesterday. It is an adverb of time. I came yesterday. Adverbs of degree. It was too hot last week. It was so windy yesterday. It is very cold today. It was too hot last week. Too is an extra hotness of the weather. So windy. An extra wind or windy weather of or windy situation. Very cold, an extra coldness of the weather. These are how we use adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverbs of degree. The sixth part of speech are conjunctions. They are and, but, or. They are linking words. They link words, phrases, sentences, etc. And, but, or. There are a lot of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. But in this tutorial, we use coordinating conjunctions. They are linking words. My friend and me graduated 3 years ago. እኔና ጓደኛዬ ከ3 ዓመት በፊት ግራጁዌት አድርገናል። ኤንድ የሚለው እኔና በተጨማሪ የኔ ጓደኛ ለማለት ነው። አዲሽናል ነው የሚገልጸው። ኤንድ ጆርጅ ስቴድድ ሃርድ በት ሂ ስኮርድ ሌስ። ጆርጅ ጠንክሮ አጥንቶ ነበር፣ ነገር ግን ያመጣ ውጤት ደካማ ነው፣ አነስተኛ ነው። በት ኢንዲኬትስ ኮንትራሪ። ስቱደንትስ ካን ድሪንክ ቲ ኦር ሚልክ። ተማሪዎች ወተት ወይም ቡና መጠጣት ወይም ሻይ መጠጣት ይችላሉ። ስቱደንትስ ካን ድሪንክ ቲ ኦር ሚልክ። ስቱደንትስ ካን ኦልተርኔቲቭሊ ድሪንክ ቲ ኦር ሚልክ። እንደ አማራጭ ከወተትና ከሻይ አንዱን መጠጣት ይችላሉ። አማራጭ ነው የሚሰጠው። ኦር ዩ ካን ስሊፕ ኦር ሲት ኤንድ ዲስካስ። ዩ ካን read or watch television. You can drink water or soft drink. It gives an alternative. So, or is used to indicate an alternative. The seventh part of speech is prepositions. Indicate place, time, and the reason. My brother came from Thailand last week. From his preposition, it indicates place where my brother came. Cinema is found in big cities. In indicates place where cinema is found. In big cities. The plane arrived at 3 o'clock. At is preposition which indicates time. I put the book on the table. እኔ መጽሐፉን ያስቀመጥኩት ጠረጴዛ ላይ ነው። The dam passes over the river. ድልድዩ በወንዙ ላይ ነው የሚያልፈው። Look. When something passes over, it does not touch the thing that it passes over. የሚያልፍበትን ነገር ሳይነካ ሲያልፍ passes over እንላለን። The dam passes over the river. We found the ball under the table. Under ማለት ከስር. We found the ball under the table. There are a lot of propositions we will discuss in our consecutive tutorials. ስምንተኛውና የመጨረሻው parts of speech, exclamations, interjections. ሁለቱም የሚመሳሰሉ ሁኔታዎች አላቸው። exclamatory marks for both expressed sudden and strong feelings. ድንገታዊና ጠንከር ያሉ ፊሊንጎች የሚገለጹባቸው ናቸው። Let's say for example, I can't really believe. Did you do it? ላምን አልችልም። ለመሆኑ ይህን ሰርተነዋል? You are wonderful. በጣም ትደነቃለህ። Wow. What a beautiful weir. Wow. What a glorious victory. ትልቅ አንጸባራቂ ድል ነው። ዋው what a beautiful weir. It is incredible. Excellent. You did a blunder. Oh no. Disappointed person የሚገልጸው ነው። So these are the last and there is part of speech, exclamations and interjections. በጣም ብዙ ናቸው የተለያዩ። እያንዳንዳቸውን የፓርትስ ኦፍ ስፒች በተናጠል በየራሳቸው ቱቶሪያል እናያቸዋለን። ደጋግማችሁ ሩሉን ተከትላችሁ እየሰራችሁ ኤክሰርሳይዝ ስታደርጉ you are capable of easily understand it. I hope that. ስለዚህ የሚቀጥሉ ቪዲዮዎች ቶሎ ቶሎ እንዲደርሷችሁ ኖቲፋይድ እንድትሆኑ የደወል ምልክቱን በመጫን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር በማድረግ የቻናል ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ ድጋሚ ጠይቃለሁ። Thank you for watching.